To all you viewers at home, this is a very special episode. This is dedicated to my dog Combo. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Rockruff. Rockruff is like one of the most cutest Pokemon in the show, and the way he greets you is by rubbing the rocks against his neck. It's obvious Rockruff really likes you guys, don't you think? Anyways, to draw him, you just start with the eye. Always start with the eye, people. Never forget that. Next, you draw his nose here. Then his other eye right here. Here's his ear. Okay, so like okay, so when drawing Rockruff, you must draw these spikes. And you see his collar has stones on him. Has stones on it. There's his head. Here's his paw. That's one of the features I like about Rockruff. There's his other leg right here. Okay, so next up you just draw his underside here. You draw his other paw right here, his other paw, and Okay, so we're almost done, right, folks? So here's his tail. And oh wait, almost forgot to draw. Almost forgot to draw his other paw. And that's how you draw a Rockruff.